Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? What's popping? What's going on? So I'm trying to make a video 2-3 in one video. I don't know how to explain that, but today I'm going to show you how to set this lovely hair, this lovely braided wig from Sylvia's hair. So finally, why do I look like really finally, she's at Sylvia's hair. Sylvia finally sent to me the free wig. Yes, for the campaign. So yes, we have this wig. It's really lovely, and I'm about to put it on for you guys to see. Tell me what you think. Before I go into the wig, I'm going to try and get my eyes popping because I don't even know how my eyes are looking right now. I'm just getting popping for you guys. You know that's that little shine. What? So before I try the wig on, I want to try and fix my lashes. I don't like the way I'm looking like a naive baby girl. I'm not naive. Bitches know that I'm the gangster. I'm the real shit. So I'm going to wear my lashes and I'll be back to show you what the wig looks like. So hi guys, I fixed my lashes and I think I look more human right now. I don't look like an alien anymore. So guess what highlight is poppy. I can't stay with the highlights. Makeup makes me happy. So yeah, let's get into this wig. So I started wig from Sylvia's hair. I'm gonna take this wig. So the wig is from Sylvia's hair, and I'm going to show you how the wig came in. And this is how the wig came. So it's like a closure wig, and it has baby hairs. So it has two colors. It has a strap. It has double strap at the back, and yeah, braided freaking wig. You guys know how I love my braided wig, right? You know I love to do it. I like to slay slicky. I like to be slicky. So yes, we're gonna try this. Yeah, it looks pretty, so pretty, like a bob short kind of freaking wig. I'm gonna wear this wig cap. It looks cranky, but yes, just to put my hair together. I'm not going to put got to be glue all over my hair today. I'm going to try and see where this closure fits before I do that. I'm going to cut the closure right now with my scissors. So I'm going to cut the closure. My table is dirty, so I can't really give you guys like a good view of how my... It's a closure, right? So I'm just gonna cut it anyhow I want to. Hi. It's not like it's even one big deal. You get me? So I'm gonna cut it this way. How I think I should cut it. I'm not a fan of baby hairs because, truth be told, I don't even have baby hair. I don't even have hair in front of my head. Like I don't have edges, so I don't know why I'm deceiving. So I think I'm used to my face not having. See, I've cut this thing now. I'm a crazy bitch. I'm a crazy bitch, I must say. So yeah, I've cut this stuff. So you guys should just pray for me that this video doesn't look somehow. So I'm gonna put it on now. Try to secure it back behind. And I'm going to pull it down this way. And so this is the wig. This is what the wig looks like. Now I'm going to style it. Now this has baby hairs. You guys know how much I don't like baby hairs. So I'm going to cut some of it and let it just be there for sample sake. And I'm cutting with scissors, so I try to make it look like I'm sliding down, taking a chunk out of it. So yeah, there goes the baby hair, and I'll go this way and I do the same thing. Yeah, there goes the cute baby hair. So when I saw the picture on her Instagram, well, I loved it. I didn't know she was going to pick this one to give to me or send to me. It was the lady wore it sideways, and I was like, oh yeah, cute hair. So yeah, let's see how this goes with me You know I don't like baby hair, so let's do this. Now there is no edge got to be glue on my head, so I'm just trying to make sure I secure all my terrible edges down so I don't look scary. Now let's just place this hair properly and see what it looks like. So I'm going to move it backwards a little so that I don't, yeah. So this is what the hair looks like. I don't know if I'm not doing it correctly, but whatever. I'm trying to make sure I give it okay. I'm going to take the camera backwards. So yeah, okay. Now this is what the tip looks like. It's kind of like burnt and rolled. So this is the wig. Now let's put it sideways to see. I'm trying to, is this unfolding? I'm not doing it correctly. Okay, alright. No, if you want to make it look like your hair, you try to look. Where's my go-to-be glue? We take this got-to-be glue. We just get a small, tiny piece, and the remaining baby hairs there. We'll try to fix it. So try to fix this, like try to hide it. Baby, I'm not a baby hair kind of person. That's why I don't even know how to style it. Okay, so yeah. This is it. I'm trying to cover this my terrible front. So this is it. I'm gonna put it in the middle to see what it looks like from the middle. So let's see if we prefer it in the middle. I just felt like since I saw the girl or the lady, or the lady was no, I think I prefer it sideways. Let's try this side. Ooh, it looks a little bit different and cute. And but that's not that's not my best angle, so I'm gonna take it to my best angle, bitches. So yeah, I guess this is my best angle. So put some baby hairs down there. So this is it. And this wig is kind of good for work. Like, it's very easy to just throw in your head. And this is how it looks. I'm going to try and take a picture. What do you guys think? For me, it's cute. For me, it's just cute. See, if you guys have any reservations, you tell me. I like the double color. I feel like this color should be in front more, like just want this color in front. And yeah, let's see if, oh yeah, I can give it like a, oh yeah, you can pack it like this. Oh, nice. Okay, so you can do like different styles. So I'm gonna pack it with like band. Yeah. just say this is how I'm gonna pack it, and this one is just here. Let me put this here, and I pack it. Oh yeah, it's cute. This is nice. What do you guys think?
Baby, I dey beg you answer. Linda, I dey knock on your door, let me enter. See ya, Joe, show my wale. Make you know they act for me, you know be me, see, so wale. Your love they make me maya, oh. My body they catch fire, oh Linda. Your love they make me maya, oh Linda. Come on, you don't make me fall. I dey beg you, baby, come home, make me no start, oh. Oh, yeah, take all my love and let it be yours forever, oh. I dey beg you, baby, come home and make me no start out. Oh yeah, take all my love and let it be yours forever. Oh yeah, baby, give me your love. Pass me your love. Give me that love. Pass me your love. Give me that love.
I love the wig. It's cute. It's convenient. The back is really secure. So like, there's nothing to be afraid of. Like, it's really secure. I love how it looks and how it makes my face look. Yeah, so that is it. That's just it. Simple wig. I love it. It's guys, I'm so hungry. Alright.